Greg Underdahl here, reporting from one of the most epic snowstorms in Minnesota history. You know what makes a lot of sense for me to do right now? Go fishing. I got one last thing to get. Very important. Spikes. Oh yeah. I need a fishing rod. So I'm just gonna be fishing in my backyard essentially. I have a small lake behind my house, and hey, I'm gonna try to catch some panfish in a snowstorm, in a blizzard. I don't know if it's possible, but I'm gonna try it. Here goes nothing. All right, so now the tricky part is there's muskrats that have made holes out here. And there's one hole over there, and I can see them, they're kind of poking out. There's another hole over here and one over here. Problem with these holes over here and over here is that I can't see them now. So I have to avoid over here and walk this way. Yeah. This is gonna help me find my way back through these muskrat holes here when I come back. I'm gonna mark a trail with my GPS, and that will start recording our track here. Okay. This is significant snowfall right now. Significant snowfall. I just got to keep my eyes out for muskrat holes. The snow is drifting like crazy. And let's see if we're making a track. We are making a track with my GPS, so that's good. That's the way I'm going to come home. All for the love of panfish. This is the spot right here. And all this is a area where the DNR marked, actually I shouldn't say marked, they put a bunch of wooden like traps or cradles, what's the word? Cribs right here. And there's a lot of panfish that use them. So all we're gonna be doing today is using plastics, no live bait. And so yeah, not only is the weather miserable, I'm making it more difficult for myself by just using plastics, not live bait. So let's do this. When the weather's like this, you gotta put everything inside that's small, because if you don't, you'll lose it, because the snow will cover this. Cover all objects up in like a matter of like a couple minutes. So plenty of ice. Oh, got plenty of snow. Okay. One thing I forgot, it's really brilliant. Forgot a scoop to get all the snow out of here. That's really, really brilliant. One of the dumbest things ever right here. Yes, I'm using my hand to get the ice out of here. I'm basically just using a tungsten jig here, and I'm going to I'm using a spring bobber on here so I can detect the bites easy. Crappies are really light biters, especially in winter. Definitely got to use a spring bobber. That is how it should be. It's in the rod guide there. And all I'm going to do now is just tip this jig here with a little Mackie plastic, which is basically a hand poured plastic. I want to get a colorful, something like that, red, colorful. Actually, now that I think about it, red is the first color that disappears in water. That's great. Whatever. Let's just put that in there. Let's shut that and rig this sucker. And pray to God that there's fish below me. So this is just like rigging any soft plastic you would for bass. I'm just threading it on there basically. I don't think these fish are going to be too particular. And just something like that. Does this look like fun? Evidently I'm not getting enough adventure in my life. It looks really cold, doesn't it? Well, guess what? It is. Ugh. All right. Come on. Lord. I definitely got to get this. I got to get this thing up. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a shelter up here. Oh my God, it's dark in here. Fishing in a blizzard, y'all. There. We are putting this clam to the test today. Wow. This is insane. Absolutely one of the stupidest things I've ever done in my life. God, this fish house is now like a sail. I've got a hole down there that needs to be cleared of ice, and I kind of got to get up off this chair to clear it, but I'm worried this whole fish house is going to fly away. Wow. 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 That's like gusting big time. I don't know what that is, 30, 40 miles an hour. Ooh, I got a fish coming up to it. I got a fish coming up to it. Got him. I got a fish. Wow. Wow, we hit. Yes! Yes! A blizzard crappie! Yes, and he absolutely hammered it. Woo! Oh, I made it. Oh, worth it. Thank you, bud. Mwah! I mean, he's not big, but, you know, he bit in a blizzard. There you go. Bye-bye. Yes! Come on, one more fish here. It's getting dark. I do not want to be walking back in the darkness. When you jig these hand-poured soft plastics, a lot of times you don't really even have to jig very much. They're just, those little tails are just subtly moving down there, and that's really a lot of times all you need to do. You don't need to aggressively jig. Okay, got a fish coming up to it. He's right on it. Got him. Got him. Yes. Come here. He's in the transducer cable. He's not a bad crappie. Real nice crappie. Holy cow. He's in the transducer cable. Woo! Look at this crappie. Look at this crappie. Woo! Oh, yes. I think one of the things that I might have been doing wrong is I was overworking this bait. That's a really, really nice crappie right there. Golly, that is awesome. Awesome. Oh my goodness. In a blizzard, one of the biggest crappie I've actually caught on this lake. Thank you. If you like our content, please subscribe to this channel. Hit the bell icon to be notified every time we upload content. Like the video, share the video, all that fun stuff. Really appreciate you watching. Thanks.